Peaches, welcome to today's video. So today is going to be really fun and it's long awaited. As you guys saw, I moved into my house 6 months ago, and over the past few months I've been showing you reveals of different rooms and I've been decorating with you guys. We've been doing a lot of projects on this channel. Well, you know me, I like to have finishing touches on everything. I like for things to be perfect. And so I'm finally ready to show you guys my bedroom. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you my fully decorated bedroom. And I'm also going to talk to you about where I got things and to give you some advice on how to decorate your bedroom for really inexpensive. That being said, let's take a look at some pieces in my space. First thing I want to talk about is this print right here behind me. I do really like it. It has the green tones of the room. As you guys saw in one of my other videos, I created a custom frame for it. Now, creating your own furniture or frames or artwork saves you a lot of money, and I wanted something specific. I like making things myself, as you guys know, because it's customizable and you can make it exactly how you like it. So I was able to get the frame the exact color I wanted, the exact thickness and size I wanted, and IKEA only offered like a black and a silver metal frame. Both of these frames cost $34, where mine cost $10, and I like mine way better. I didn't like that. That's not the vibe I was going for, and I think your frame really changes the game of your print. So I really like that. It was pretty cheap for that size painting or artwork, but I do kind of regret that. Not because I don't love it in this room and I think it's really beautiful, but just because it's IKEA and everyone has this print. It's not original. You can go into a lot of people's spaces and see the same print, and I really kind of dislike that. I like to be unique and have my own individual pieces, so that is my only downside, but I do really like it in the space, and I think that the colors and the, like, even the rope in the painting matches like the texture in the room. So that was, I got that from IKEA. Also guys, I will be linking everything that is linkable down below. So anything I got from Target, IKEA, big box stores, I'll link for you guys. Everything that's thrifted, I'm sorry, I'll try to maybe find like similar items and see if there's anything, but just if you like it, look for something similar in a thrift store. Okay, so next we have these green pillows. Now, let me just tell you, pillows are so expensive for throw pillows, and usually they're not even comfortable, especially ones this size. These are 26 inches. I was really struggling. I'm going to do a whole video on how to make your bed because it's not as easy as it seems. But I got those from IKEA. I just got the 26-inch inserts, and then I got 26-inch pillowcases. Now, green is kind of my accent color in here. Obviously, we have a big green accent wall, which pulls your eye to the bed. But I don't have any more of that color in this room, but I just have green plants, and I think it was a nice little addition to break up the orange from the bed. Okay, so then we have this bedding. I love the sheen of it. I love the material. It's so comfortable. This is from Target. And that's, again, like, this is something that you can find in a lot of people's space because it's from a big box store, but I think that the combination of the pillows kind of makes it a little more unique, and you're not really going to walk into someone else's house and they're going to have this exact setup. They may have this exact blanket, but oh well. Honestly, I do really like to pair big box store items with thrifted, and then it kind of makes it special instead of just getting everything from IKEA. All right, so you guys obviously saw me hang my shelves, my floating shelves, and I also showed you how I decorated them. Now my shelves do kind of change as I thrift and find more unique pieces. I kind of change pieces out, so I don't think you guys have actually seen the shelf looking like this, but just a little recap on that. Basically everything here, let's take you over there. Just a quick overview. So this is a thrifted book. I just like the color of it. This is from Marshall's. I just got this. I think this is from Target. These are from Michael's. That's from Pier 1, just like random. That's thrifted. This frame is thrifted. I think this is from Target. I've had it for so long. This frame is thrifted, and then I just got a print from Shutterfly. This is from Target. This is from Target. That's randomly thrifted, and a wooden frame I thrifted and did the artwork that you guys saw. So I have this pampas grass, and I just found like a glass bottle from the thrift store, and I just literally cut the pampas grass down. Now if you don't live in LA, you can order it on Etsy really easily, or you can just go chop it down. Okay, so moving on to my side table. I really love my side table. This I think I got from like Marshall's or TJ Maxx or something. This clock is from Amazon. I like the wooden theme. These candles smell so amazing. They're from the dollar store. I made this just using wooden beads, but you can order one on Amazon. I'll link one for you guys. Here's another book. Don't know. If you guys find books that you like the color of without the sleeve, you can use them and just hide the title if you don't like the title. This I just like randomly found, but I think it's really cute and it smells nice. With my side tables, I like to get ones that have drawers so that everything is concealed. You don't want an open side table unless you're like super neat and have nothing on your side table. And then I have this basket down here where I keep like a room spray and snacks, and it covers all my wires so I can have snacks in bed. So I also have these pillows. This pillow I think is from Marshall's or Ross or something. This one is from Target as well, and that matches that right there. And then I have these sheets I got from Goodwill. They were like brand new, never used. And then I have some light pillowcases as well. And we love a good little texture. It's my doggy that I rescued, that I love very much. So onto this shelf, thrifted from Belize, from Marshall's, I don't know. These candle holders I got from Target, but you can really easily find them thrifted. And these candles are from Kristen Made. All of these are from the thrift store. I only buy frames from the thrift store, don't get them from anywhere else. This little thing is from Michael's. They have really cute pottery actually. This is thrifted. I think I got this like Tuesday morning, I don't know, but I just have the matches here so I can light my candle. This is an Arbonne candle, it smells amazing. And then this is just another glass I found at the thrift store that I put some greenery from Michael's into. And then we have more of the same candles. And then this is thrifted. I made another wooden garland, wood bead garland. These are just books that I found at the thrift store that I like the colors, and the colors very much match the room, and it's very antique looking. Thrifted. Always have to have some fresh flowers in here. And then, so this and this are thrifted, but this I got from Target. $5. It smells so good. It's a spiced apple coconut one, and I love the wooden little lid there, this little pull. And then this I got from Michael's, and I made it into a candle. I'll link the video on how to make candles if you guys want to do that. And then we have my dresser. You guys probably saw my video on how to flip it to make it more Urban Outfitters inspired, but I did a flip on this. It's just the IKEA Tarva dresser, and I just stained it really easily, and I put some new knobs on it. This here is thrifted, and then we have these curtains, which I'm so obsessed with. They are this cream, but they have this like detailing, and those are from Amazon, but when the light hits it, it looks so pretty. So those are from Amazon. The details make a difference. This rod here with the glass globe, it's gold. That is from Amazon as well. Okay, so moving on. So I told you guys this blanket is from Target. Well, so this used to be yellow. I actually flipped it. So I sanded it and I stained it and I painted it. And then I made this cushion so it fits perfectly. It's totally custom. I can store my blankets and stuff in there and I can sit on it. So in this corner, I just put a little blanket ladder that I made myself, but you can also buy them. It's a lot cheaper to make yourself though. And I think that it adds a lot of texture and coziness in this corner. So it also brings the orange over there. Look at you, boo-boo. Are you so pretty? This guy is thrifted as well. We got this piece from Habitat for Humanity. If you haven't checked it out, you really should. Habitat Humanity has a ton of really good furniture, and they don't have like decor pieces really, but they have furniture. And then we just have another 2 candles here. And I really like the green that plays in with the green wall, and then this orange candle plays in with the orange of the bed. And then I have this wooden tissue box that we put our remotes in so that we can watch TV easily. Then we have this really cute little corner over here. This mirror I thrifted off Facebook Marketplace, and I love the antique just architect of the frame. Just these spirals are so pretty. I did another glass base with a different type of pampas grass here. And then this I found on Facebook Marketplace as well. And it's just like a really cute area to read a book, sit in a chair if you don't want to like be in the bed. And I think it's really cozy. And then I just styled it with a pillow and a blanket, both that I found at the thrift store as well. Last but not least is this beautiful TV stand that we also got at Habitat for Humanity. This piece has the same like swirly design that my chest has, so it ties in really well. The color of the wood matches all of the other wood in here, and I think that's important to intentionally pick the color of your wood. You don't want to have like randomness. You can use different colors of wood if you do it intentionally, but if you just want it to be simple, try to get them as close as possible. Now this isn't the exact same color, but it's pretty darn close, and I think it's fine. It's wood. You're never gonna get it exact because it's not all from the same tree. Anyways, so we have this to put out our TV, and then we also have like a lot more storage, so we can just put whatever we need to in here. Okay, and so then the last thing that I didn't really talk about, but is a super big thing that I was so excited to find, are the sconces that we have right here. Now sconces, if you don't know what they are just lights that don't hang from the ceiling, and they're not lamps, but they hang on your wall, and they were super easy to install. And I got those on Amazon. So really quickly, now that I showed you where I got everything, I kind of want to just recap on where you should shop for certain things. I think for decor items, the accents and the accessories I think are great to get at the thrift store. You're gonna get unique pieces and really well-made pieces that have stories to them. For furniture and for big pieces, I like to check Facebook Marketplace. I like to check Habitat for Humanity and all my like thrift stores. Now if you need a bed or if you need a TV stand and you can't wait, or you're just like not finding anything you like, then you can obviously, that's when I like to go to big box stores. Or if that store has something specific that I really love. So for example, the sconces, I would have loved to have thrift them, but I just looked and looked and looked and could not find anything that I liked. And I did want something pretty specific. These move up and down, side to side. I wanted them gold, and I wanted the light to not be exposed. And a lot of sconces, you can see the light and it's just so bright. So I wanted something really specific, and I had a very specific price I wanted to pay. So those were $50 a sconce, which is actually very inexpensive. Sconces are really great to add to a room if you don't have big side tables, and as you saw, my side table is pretty filled as it is, and a light just wasn't working there for me. So I really love those. My IKEA dresser I originally got because it had so much potential, and you really can do whatever you want with it, which is nice. But you can find a lot of IKEA furniture on Facebook Marketplace or thrifted without actually having to go to IKEA. So if I were to redo it, I would probably change that and buy a dresser from Facebook Marketplace. I have a dresser in my garage right now that I found for free. It's like the same exact one. So although it is from IKEA, you could definitely find that thrifted. Now, My TV stand, it took me literally 5 months to find that. I had something kind of as a filler for the time being, but it did not match the room. It was totally random, and it took me so long to find that. It was $50. Every TV stand that I've ever seen has been like 100 or more, and I got that from Habitat Humanity, so it was a really great price. I love how like it's real wood. It was perfect for the space. But then with thrifting also, like this chest I had a year before we moved into this place, like not finished because obviously it takes a while to flip things, and also like just not being used. So it's really up to you on if like your time frame, how quickly you need things, and your budget. But this chest was $20, and if I bought it new, it probably would have been over $100. So it's real wood, it's beautiful to me, so I'm happy, and I got it the exact colors I wanted it. So honestly, Target is my go-to right now because they have Opal House, they have Joanna Gaines Magnolia Home, and they just have really cute decorations. They're my go-to for all my bedding, and I got all of my blankets on my blanket ladder from there as well. So I like them for bedding a lot. Something like curtains, I like to thrift, but sometimes you need a specific size, so then I would shop at like Amazon. Amazon I don't like to get my big furniture pieces from, but I do like to get more of like specific accents like the sconces or the curtains. I think I did a really good job of balancing thrifting and getting really great deals and also buying new where I couldn't find those things that I wanted. Honestly though, if I went thrift shopping and found like a dresser I loved, I would probably bring that in and like try to sell that, the one I currently have. I do change things a lot because with thrift stores you never know what you're gonna find. You could totally score it, you could find everything you're looking for in a day, or it could take literally a year. But I love thrifting, that's fun for me, so I do constantly change things out. As I was saying with the shelf, it's always changing, but I think most of the main pieces stay. If you do end up purchasing something and then you change your mind, or your style changes after a few months or a few years, and you are looking to redo your room, I really recommend trying to resell your pieces on Facebook Marketplace or like at a garage sale or something where you personally are selling it. That way you know that it's going to a good home and someone's actually buying it. Also, you make money off of it instead of just donating it, and you can take that money and put it into your new furniture, which is what I oftentimes do. If you aren't able to do that, then obviously I really recommend just donating your furniture instead of just like throwing it away, because you don't want that sitting in a landfill and you want to be environmentally conscious. Just realize though that not everything at the thrift store does sell, and it still may end up in the landfill, so that's why I always try to sell it first to give it my best effort. And honestly, I've gotten so many good deals from thrifting that I want to be able to give someone else a good deal and help someone else out. So we're just keeping that cycle going. Can we just take a moment? Is she not the cutest thing that you've ever seen? I'm very obsessed with my dog. Okay. Anyways, so that is today's video. I hope that you guys love my bedroom as much as I do. I am very happy with how it turned out. I'm very happy with how much I spent on it. And I'm very happy with just like the energy and atmosphere that I feel when I come in here. I just feel like it's so cozy. I feel like everything has a place. Everything's very intentional, and it just, to me, this is like my style. I feel very homey and cozy. Even with all of the natural materials, I just feel very naturey with the greens and the neutral colors. So that is my bedroom. If you guys like this video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up and hit subscribe down below to see more of me. If you guys don't want to miss out on any of my future videos, don't forget to turn on the bell icon. And as always, thanks so much for watching. We'll see you next week. Bye!